What's going on, everyone? This is Thomas from What Thomas Says Media. Today I wanted to get out the house and check out some Christmas lights, so I'm at Heathcote Gardens in Fort Pierce, Florida, checking out their Garden of Lights. It is open to the public from basically Thanksgiving all the way until, I believe, the first week of January, and the dates and times are all Fridays and Saturdays from 5:30 to 9, and you can come out and see numerous lights that are out here in the Botanical Gardens. So follow me and I'll show you everything that's here. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share, all of that to help my channel grow. To view my photography, my videography, and my drone services, you can head to my website, which is www.whatthomassays.com. My YouTube is What Thomas Says, and my Instagram is also What Thomas Says, and Facebook What Thomas Says. I've been trying to be a little bit more active on Twitter. My Twitter is What Thomas Says with 2 S's on the end, and let's connect and let's talk. And I'm always looking for advice. I'm always looking for other inspiration and other ideas and stuff. Thank you for watching.